If you are interested in looking for jobs that are visa sponsorship jobs or even remote jobs, this video is for you. I am doing this video to guide our community members and even you, yes, you who is watching it for the first time. So if you are joining us for the first time, the way to become a community member is just to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and make sure you also join our Telegram group. That way, you will receive daily updates on visa sponsorship jobs and remote jobs. And these jobs are absolutely free. I repeat, these jobs are free. Please do not pay anyone for a job. Do not pay anyone for a job, because I have come to realize that a lot of people do not understand the meaning of job application or work visa or work permit. This is entirely different. As the name sounds, when you hear visa sponsorship jobs, or you hear remote jobs, or you hear job seeker jobs, or you even hear job application, it does not, I repeat, it has nothing to do with a work visa or a work permit application. You have to secure a job first before you even think about applying for a work visa or a work permit. Let me use an instance. Let me use Canada as an example. For you to apply for a work permit in Canada, you need something called an LMIA. If you do not have an LMIA, you cannot apply for a work permit. So you should never ever mistake the two, because when I listen to a lot of people and they're calling visa sponsorship jobs application work visas and work permits, it baffles me. And to think that Happy Face is a place where we have a lot of disclaimers. So my question is it that people do not read these disclaimers? If you go to our Instagram page, as you can see, it is stated clearly for anybody to see. Travel for free, fund your travel, free job applications, become a content creator, trained 100 plus students, content creator, not a travel agency. We have put disclaimers for so long, letting people know that Happy Face is not a travel agency. We are a content creation company and a virtual assistant company. So, for the sake of those who do not know what a content creator is or who a content creator is, I am going to take my time to explain who and what this is about. So, as a content creator, you create things like videos, as you can see here. We create videos that are free for you to watch. Please, you do not pay to watch any of our videos. It is on YouTube. YouTube is a free platform. You need to go there and watch these videos. If you go to our video section and you look at the oldest, you would see that we have videos backdated to as far as 1 year ago. So if we have videos saying 1 year ago and you go and watch these videos and you see something like jobs in Canada 2023, you would see that all of these jobs are free to apply. It has nothing to do with work visa application or work permit application. You need to understand that job applications are very different from work visas or work permit applications. They are two different applications. That is why Happy Face always goes ahead to write the disclaimers that state that we do not apply for work visas or work permits. And we also go ahead to let you know that what we apply for are for job seeker visas. We also help digital nomads as assisting them applying to travel around the world and working remotely. What Happy Face applies for are job seeker visas and also digital nomad visas or visit visas that help digital nomads to travel around the world as digital nomads working remotely. So let's not mistake all of these things. And remember, we're not a travel agency, and that is why everything that we do is just an assistance. And that's why we go ahead to write all of these disclaimers so that you can see there are disclaimers here, disclaimers there, disclaimers everywhere. So I do not expect anybody to misunderstand the content that we put out. Hence, but we have realized that some people still misunderstand all of this content creation thing, and that is why I'm taking my time to explain this. If you come to our Instagram page, you would see work in Canada, accountant needed, apply for free multiple jobs. These are the flyers that direct you to our website. This is a content. This is a blog. It is a travel blog that also has jobs available for you to apply. So when we write a content, as you can see here, visa sponsorship, these are visa sponsorship content. When we write a content like so, what we do is we also put up a flyer on our social media handles sending you to this particular site. And when you go to the site, you would see the jobs for yourself and they are listed there for you to apply. These jobs are strictly for free application. No money is being taken on this site for you to apply for this job. After all, let's look at this. Jobs in the USA, visa sponsorship job, kitchen cabinet sales specialist. The location is there, the name of the company is there, the job details is there, the job overview, the key responsibilities, the qualification, the education and experience. So you know whether you even qualify for the job. We put the benefits and we also put how to apply on this particular site. And we also tell you who can apply. So I don't understand why it is now difficult for people to navigate their way to the website and apply for these jobs. Let's go to jobs in Canada. This is extremely easy. Like so easy. You come here, if you're a truck driver, you click on long haul truck drivers, right? When you click on long haul truck drivers and you come here, you see this job details, job description, job responsibility, qualification, experience, skill, additional information, and the email for you to apply is always added there. And we still go ahead to put the job link on the site. So it is surprising for me to see that people still do not understand how to just come here and apply. How does this in any way, this is a free job application for you to apply. How does this translate to a work visa application and how does this translate to a work permit? You are to apply for as many jobs as possible, and when you are picked or if you are picked, then the employer can look at facilitating the work visa and the work permit for you. And that is why we put in our disclaimers that Happy Face does not apply for work visa or work permit. And we also go ahead to say visa and offer letters are solely dependent on the employer and government, not Happy Face. Our responsibility is to assist and create content. So, having said all this on the site, we even went ahead to tell you that you can ask questions, seek advice, and share any concerns by booking an appointment. Payments made are non-refundable. You can apply for free services to avoid payments. All of this has been put on our website. Happy Face is not a travel agency. This is clearly stated on the website. If you even come to our website and you go down, you would see that there is a disclaimer page. The disclaimer page reads exactly what our disclaimers are. Join our Telegram group for free updates, which is this. Book an appointment if you don't understand. This is written on the disclaimer site. So my question is, all of this has been put on the site for you to see. There's a phone number, there's an email address. If you don't understand, for you to even ask some more. Now, the next thing I also want to talk about is our terms and conditions. The terms and conditions is clearly stated. Happy Face terms and conditions must read. That means you must read it. Once you click on it, it takes you directly to every single term and condition that concerns you. All you need to do is click on each and every one of them, and you will see what our services, our terms and conditions is all about. If you also go to the next one, there are 3 links, and you click on it, you would also see it. And you go to the next one and you click on it, you will also see it. This is so easy for you to understand. So, my question is, why then are you confused? Why are you confusing the work visa, work permit with a job application on a website? Once it's on a website and it is free for you to access, it means that it's a content. It's just like this video I am doing for you right now. This is content creation, and if you want to be honest with yourself, this is what we do. And it baffles me that when you come to our YouTube channel and you see that we have posts as far back as 1 year, and I would still see someone come and say, I didn't understand what maybe a marketer or a third party person explained to me. And I'm like, okay, so when you finally got to know the company, did you not watch their videos? Even when you watch their videos, did you not go to the description? Do you understand? Did you not go to this description? Did you not check the description? Did you not see what people are commenting? Did you not see what has been said? So if you were not sure at the point of paying for a service, because I'm still going to talk about the services that Happy Face renders as a content creation company and as a virtual assistant. I'm still going to talk about it. So by the time you pay for a particular service and you're not quite sure of what you paid for a company that you paid for a service, like I ask again, did you not watch the videos? Did you not go to these videos? Did you not check what they do? I'm going to be using this video as an example. This video was a travel to Malta video, and as you can see, this video was shared 9 months ago. Let's look at this particular person. The person says, well done sis, how much is this please? Look at the reply to this comment 9 months ago. I'm doing this video and today, and this other video was posted 9 months ago. If you know anything about YouTube, you will know for a fact that you cannot go and put a video today 9 months ago on YouTube. So there's no way we would have gone and put this video. So this video was there 9 months ago. Look at what this person says after watching the travel to Malta multiple pathways. It says, how much is this? And we say, thanks, apply for free using the link. So my question is that, is it that you don't watch these videos? Are we doing it for fancy? So because I hear all these things and I say, and I'm wondering, where is it coming from? Why are people mistaking content creation for work visas? If you go to our Instagram page or you go to our Telegram page, you're going to see a lot of flyers stating that there are free jobs for you to apply. Let's look at this, guys. This is our Instagram page. It states clearly, work in Canada, accountant needed, apply for free. Work in Canada, driver needed, apply for free. Work in Canada, caregivers needed, apply for free. So why are you confused? And even if you are confused, that is why in the video description, we always ask you, book a meeting if you need more explanation on our application or videos, and get the ebook for the video and CV optimization. If you book a session, you will understand clearly what we are looking for. Once you click on the link, it takes you to our store, it takes you where you can book a session, it takes you to see our products. And as a matter of fact, as you can see, there's so many free products on this store. And for those who want us to apply. It is just a job application. It is written clearly here. Look at it. Job application assistance service. And you can come and you can apply for it. Our disclaimer is still written there. You are not obligated to use our virtual assistant service. That is why we put the links for you to go and apply yourself for absolutely free. All the jobs have been done for you for absolutely free. There shouldn't be any confusion here. So, guys, this is just a video to show you that you can actually come here and apply for jobs for absolutely free. And just navigate to the different countries you want to apply for. If it's for Canada, as you can see, packaging assistant, financial analyst, all of these things are there for you to apply. You can also navigate to jobs in New Zealand. These are jobs in New Zealand for you to apply. It is free for you to apply. Why is it free? It is free so that when you look at it, if it's not something that resonates with you or not something you want to do, you are not obligated to apply. This always pops up because this is where you click on to join the Telegram group so that you know the exact Telegram group to join. So when you come to this site, all you need to do is just follow the instruction and apply. And it is free and you are not obligated to apply. If you look at a job and it's not for you, please do not apply. I repeat, do not pay anybody a dime for a free job. It is here. If we wanted to sell the job to you or sell this to you, we will not put it on the internet. It is free for everybody to watch. And as you can see, we put multiple jobs jobs every single day. So why are we going to take our time and put all of these jobs for you on the site for free if we have another policy that is different from this? What we do is straight to the point, it is forward, there is no confusion. After watching this video again and you still don't understand, please book a session and ask your questions and ask the appropriate questions. And when you're being answered, listen to understand. And if you don't understand, my darling, my sweetheart, apply by yourself for free. Do you understand? You don't need to use happy face to apply for a job that is clearly in front of you and it is free for you to apply. Look at this now. Just take a look at this. Just come here and it is free for you to apply. I am hoping that you understand clearly what this is about. I am hoping that you understand clearly what this is about. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, sweethearts, to come here and join the Telegram group. Follow us on Instagram. Please go to the website. This is the website here and apply for free. And also subscribe to our channel. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And I am also happy that we have way more people who understand what our videos are about and what our content is about. And we will be here to give you more content on how to travel for free and how to get visa sponsorship jobs all for free. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.